Imagine this: golden, crispy fries hot from the kitchen without a drop of oil or a cluttered countertop. This Chefman Air Fryer TurboFry 7 quart is here to make that dream a reality, transforming how you cook with its high-powered, space-saving design. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or just craving healthier comfort food, this 6-in-1 air fryer delivers restaurant-quality results in minutes. Curious? Why the Chefman TurboFry stands out? Air fryers have become kitchen staples, but the Chefman TurboFry takes it to the next level with supercharged convection power and a sleek, versatile design. Powered by a high-tech DC motor, it cooks up to 40% faster than other Chefman models, reaching a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit for crispier, juicier results. From frozen fries to fresh salmon, this air fryer handles it all with ease, making it perfect for anyone looking to simplify cooking without sacrificing flavor. What makes this air fryer truly special? It's not just about frying, it's a multitasking marvel with 6 cooking functions: air fry, broil, dehydrate, convection bake, reheat, and cook frozen foods. Plus, its 7-quart capacity feeds up to 6 people, so you can whip up family-sized meals in one go. And with a compact, space-saving design, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen, no matter how small. Key features: supercharged cooking power. The DC motor and 450 degrees Fahrenheit max temp deliver 40% faster cooking, giving you crispy, golden results every time. 6-in-1 versatility: air fry, broil, bake, dehydrate, reheat, or cook frozen foods with one intuitive touchscreen interface. Family-sized capacity: the 7-quart non-stick basket holds enough for 6 people, perfect for dinners or meal prep. Extra crispy frozen foods: the frozen function defrosts and crisps foods like mozzarella sticks or tater tots to perfection. Space-saving design: its narrow, elongated frame maximizes capacity while fitting neatly on your counter. Easy view window: check on your food without opening the basket, keeping heat locked in for consistent results. Effortless cleanup: the non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe wire rack make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Safety: first, auto shutoff activates when the timer ends or the basket is removed, ensuring worry-free cooking. Trusted durability: CETL approved with a 1-year Chefman assurance for long-lasting performance. Benefits that make a difference. The Chefman TurboFry isn't just about features, it's about making your life easier and your meals tastier. Here's how it delivers: healthier meals, made simple. Air frying uses little to no oil, cutting fat without sacrificing that crispy texture you love. Enjoy guilt-free fries, wings, or even desserts. Time-saving convenience: with 40% faster cooking and a large capacity, you can prepare family meals in minutes, freeing up time for what matters most. Versatility for every craving: from dehydrating fruit snacks to baking cookies or broiling salmon, this air fryer adapts to your culinary whims. Perfect for small spaces. Its compact design fits tiny kitchens or crowded counters, yet still handles big meals. Stress-free cooking: the easy view window, shake reminder, and auto shutoff take the guesswork out of cooking so you nail every dish. Who's this air fryer for? Busy families: feed up to 6 people quickly with enough room for large portions like whole chickens or trays of veggies. Health-conscious foodies: crave crispy textures without the oil? This air fryer delivers low-fat meals that taste indulgent. Small space dwellers: its narrow design is ideal for apartments or kitchens where counter space is at a premium. Meal prep warriors: batch cook proteins, veggies, or snacks with ease thanks to the 7-quart capacity and versatile functions. Frozen food fans: the frozen setting turns store-bought fries, nuggets, or mozzarella sticks into crispy masterpieces. Real-world performance: my experience. I put the Chefman TurboFry to the test, and it didn't disappoint. First up, frozen tater tots. The frozen function worked like magic, starting low to defrost and then crisping them to a perfect golden crunch in under 15 minutes. No soggy tots here. Next, I tried air frying salmon fillets. The elongated basket easily fit 2 large pieces, and the easy view window let me monitor the browning without opening the fryer. The result? Juicy, flaky fish with a crispy edge, all in 12 minutes. Why choose Chefman over competitors? With so many air fryers on the market, why pick the TurboFry? For starters, its 450 degrees Fahrenheit max temp outshines most competitors, delivering crispier results. The 6-in-1 functionality means you're getting more than just an air fryer. It's a mini oven, dehydrator, and broiler in one. Plus, the space-saving design is a godsend for small kitchens, unlike bulkier models that hog counter space. And with Chefman's 1-year assurance and CETL approval, you're investing in a product built to last. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and